Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 109 of Surah Al-Ma'idah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يوم يجمع الله الرسل فيقول ماذا أجبتم. Yow is harf lean, wow lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Yawma, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Yaj, yeah is soft, for fatha open jaws attached with jim, jim is has qalqala. Yaj, this is majhura, so there should not be any sound of hums, but it should have majhura sound. No hums. There is no flow of breath. Yajma'ullah. Ain from your throat. Dhamma, circular lips attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. And make sure the makhraj of noon and lam is very close, so the noon should not come in between this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Allah, law, and it is heavy. So, and you're not circling for any heavy letter, even for lafz jalala, you're not circling your lips. Allahu, ha is light. For dhamma, circle letters attach it. Ra will be heavy. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Hurru, hurr. And keep the makhraj of ra engaged when you are saying ra, and there should be a little takrar vibration there. Hurru, hurrusu. For dhamma, circle lips, keep seen light. La for fatha open jaws. Fa give hums in fatha in fa for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ya for ya is soft. For fatha open jaws. Qu off is heavy. For dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu for dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. The has zabzaba, is mujama, it's with fatha and mutaharika, so the dabdaba should be there. So if you don't feel that that sound of rakhawa, you should put your tongue little out of your this boundary. You have the makhraj of dal is when you are touching the tip of your tongue to the last part, the edge of the frontal two teeth. So the there should be a zabzaba sound here. The, and it is 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. U for the circle your lips. Jib for kasra, e sound, and there should be a very nice qalqala on ba because ba has qalqala and it is majhura. So there is no flow of breath, but it has a very clear sound of qalqala. Jib, tum for the circular lips attached. Mimi will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is not rakhawa. Like you should not cross the limit of tawassut. It should not go too long. Ujibitum. That's it. Qaf is heavy for the circular lips. No, there is fatha. So open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Qalu for the circular lips and make it 2 counts long. La 2 counts long. And make sure there should not be any nasal sound in any long vowel. La, and la. There is 2 sounds. La is budun, without any gunna. So keep every mud letter without gunna. La, il, ain from your throat for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam has tawassut. Ma for fatha open jaws. La short. Na. It when we have decided to stop here, so it will be 2 counts long. In for kasra, give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of kunna. Since kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ka for fatha open jaws. There is no hums in kaf when you are saying it with fatha dhamma kasra. Mutaharika kaf has no hums. Ka, ta, So how you practice to say ikhfa? This is with ta. So you will check your makhraj, whether you are right or wrong. You will say atta, at. So you figure out that you have to go to this makhraj. Now you are hiding the sound of noon and going towards the makhraj which you already figured out. Okay? A, a, anta, anta. You are not saying noon, you are not saying ta, but you are close to makhraj of ta. And you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is all about ikhfa. Anta, al. Ain from your throat, fatha open jaws, attach it lam, lam will get sif after wasud. Alla, la, two comes long. Mul, for dhamma, circle ellipse, attach it lam, lam will get sif after wasud. Ghu, ghain is munfatiha and heavy. For dhamma, circle ellipse. Ghuyub. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. So make it 4 counts. And this is mad arid للسكون. يوم يجمع الله الرسل فيقول ماذا أجبتم قالوا لا علم لنا إنك أنت علام الغيوب. إذ for kasra give e sound attached to dal. Dal had dab sound. This is rakhawa. So keep your tongue nicely under the frontal two teeth. Is this sound should be very nicely heard. This is rakhawa. Is of is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. And you remember that we learned that when alif has a heavy letter, so alif will be heavy too. Qa, law. This lam is light, but this lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. La, 2 counts long. Who for dhamma circle ellipse and keep ha light. Lafz jalala, the lam of lafz jalala is heavy, but not who. La, who, ya. Keep ya soft. Make it 2 counts long. Re, 2 counts long. Sab. For fatha open jaws attached ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. And this letter is majhura. It has no flow of breath. So the sound should be very clearly heard for qalqala. Sab. Na. For fatha open jaws. Maw. For fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra has tawassut but not rakhawa. So don't cross the limit of tawassut. Maru. It is heavy and it has a takreer here. Maru. Iya. Iya is light. For fatha open jaws. Madh. For fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal has rakhawa. And that is a dabdaba sound. Madh. Kur. For dhamma circle ellipse attached with ra. Ra has tawassut and it has the takreer. Kur. Niya. For kasra give e sound attached with the ain. Ain has tawassut. I think we are giving more sound on tawassut. We should work on it and keep it shorter than rakhawa. Ni'ma for fatha open jaws. T 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay. Ya is yailin. So make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Lay. Ka for fatha open jaws. Uwa. Makhraj of circle ellipse for fatha open jaws. for fatha open jaws, and it should be from your throat. La, 2 counts long. Wa, 2 counts long. For makhraj of vowel, circle your lips. Li, for kasra, give E sound. And da, for fatha open jaw. Ti, for kasra, give E sound. Ka, light for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Id, for kasra, give E sound. And give zaba and rakha here on dal. Id, ay. If you will not give that sound, it will sound like dal. So be very careful about it. Id, ay. This ya, surely it has nabar, but ya has rakhawa. There is tashdid. Ya has tashdid. When you are attaching with hamza, you are giving here. Okay. I'm opening it for you. Hamza with ya. The first ya has nabar and it has rakhawa too. Ya sagna is rakhwa letter. Okay. So this should continue. And then the other is with fatha. This ya is with fatha. Yeah. And then you will give fatha. When you are starting from here, the number is, yes, there is number, but it should continue and should not, the sound should not break in between. It will be a great mistake for if you are doing it. Ay, ay. It should go on. Ay, yet, yeah. For fatha open jaws and tajweed ta has shidda. So this will cut off the sound. Yet, two for the circle lips. The sound is short. Ka for fatha open jaws. And why I'm saying, because it has rakhawa, and look here it is shidda. Here the sound will cut off, but not here. Here you have to continue to. Nabar is jump of sound, but with the jump of sound you are continuing to say yeah. You are not breaking your sound in between. Okay. Ay, yet tuka. There are two different things coming up. This is rahawa and this is shidda. So you can feel the difference clearly. Tuka for fatha upon jaws. V for kasra, give E sound. Ru, ra is heavy for dhamma circle. Let's make it 2 counts long. Hil for kasra, give E sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, not rahawa. Why I keep on saying? Because don't cross the limit of tawassut. Tawassut is short. Hil, u, off is heavy for the circle ellipse. Do for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Si for kasra, give E sound, the sound is short. Tu for the circle ellipse and sound is short. Kel for fatha open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. For kasra, give E sound. Li, mun for the circle ellipse. And as you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position, but should not stretch behind. Should not pull your lips behind. The just remove the effect of dhamma on meme. That's it. You are good to pronounce noon. Mun, na, 2 counts long. Sa, for fatha open jaws. Feel, tawassut, ma. Now, here there is tawassut and here is rakhawa. So there should be a very clear difference in between. Fil, ma, di, for kasra, give E sound. Wa, makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ka, for fatha, open jaws, attach it. Ha has rakhawa. Ka, la, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha, open jaws. Id, give rakhawa, and keep a very far difference between dal and dal. So it has rakhawa. Il, al, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lam, give the wasut. Tu for the circle lips. Kal, give, sorry. for give tawassut, ki for kasra give e sound, ta 2 counts long, ba for fatha open jaws, well makhraj of power circle in your lips, fatha open jaws attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, hike for kasra give e sound or bring ha from your throat, attach it kaf, kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath, hik, 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 ma for fatha open jaws, ta for fatha open jaws, what makhraj of vowel circle in your lips for fatha open jaws attach with ta, ta has shidda. So here your sound will cut off. But what tau tau. This is what? Wow, lean. So make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Tau ra ra. 2 counts long. Ta for fatha open jaws. Well. Give the wasut. In makhraj of jim is this is shajariya. So you are lifting your tongue up. Middle of your tongue should be lifted up to say this ikhfa. Jil. This when we are giving waqf here, we are giving sukoon on this lam. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid للسكون. ومخرج الواو circling lips. إذ give رخاوة on that. تخ ta is shidda. Kha give رخاوة on kha, and kha should be from your throat. تخ lu for the circling lips. The sound is short. Pu for the circling lips. The sound is short. Ni for kasra give e sound. Naq naq. As you will touch ta, ta is mutbaqa letter. Mutbaqa means your tongue should be lifted up and pasted on your palate. Not ti, 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws. Hai. Ya is lean, so make it. This is ya lean, so make it soft. Make it 2 counts long. Ha. Sorry. Hai. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tiq. This is ta, and this is to. Tiq. It has started from the light letter and going towards heavy letter. Tiq. Toi. Tiq. Toi. This is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Toi. Ri. For kasra give e sound. B for kasra give e sound and make it light. B is. On dal, give a clear sound of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. The sound should be heard very nicely. Is ni 2 counts long. Fa give hums in fa for fatha upon jaws. Ta for fatha. Okay, this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is with fa. So the makhraj of fa is when you touch the upper, the edge of your upper teeth on the lower wet part of your lower lip. So you are going close to that makhraj, but you're not touching it. Tafu, tafu for the circle lips. Khu for the circle lips, and make kha heavy. Khu, fi 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. Fa gives hums in fa for fatha upon jaws. Ta for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ku for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Nu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Qai make ta heavy, and ya is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Qai run. Ra is heavy. Give takrar little, and then give aqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Run B for kasra give e sound. Is give clear rakhawa the sound here. Ni 2 counts long. Huwa makhraj of wow is circling your lips for fatha upon your jaws. Tube for dhamma circle your lips at you will touch ba. Your lips should be in a straight position but not stretched behind. Make very much sure that the effect of dhamma when you're removing, you are good on your position. To b, and this is majhura. There's no flow of breath, so give a nice clear kalkala without any hum sound. To b, ri, for kasra give e sound, give little vibration here. Takrar. Eri, ul, for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sip of tawassut. Ak, hamza is sharp and attached with kaf, kaf will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Ak, ma, for fatha open jaws. Ha, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of circling ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sip of tawassut. Ab, ab, ba is has qalqala and majhura, it is majhura. Add ra, ra. Make sure whenever there is ra, you're touching its makhraj. If you're not touching its makhraj, you have no takrar here, and that is not good for ra. Ra, sa, sa, mutbaqa. So keep your tongue up and make it extra, extra heavy. Sa, bi, for kasra, keep e sound. Iz. Can you hear the Rakhawa sound? Sorry, no. It is Rakhawa. Yes, I can make it Rakhawa. Yes. Rakhawa. Ni, two counts long. Uwa, makhraj of power. Circle in your lips of what open jaws. Give Rakhawa on dal. Tukh, tukh. For Dhamma circle lips, as you will touch kha, remove the effects of Dhamma and your lips are good. You're not stretching them back. Tukh, ri, for kasra give e sound. Jul, give the wasut. Mau, without going to the nasal sound, make it two counts long and make it soft. Mau, ta, two counts long. Bi, iz, ni, wa, iz, ka. Kaf is from your kaf is the when you're touching the tongue with your the part where there is bone and there is some soft part. Here the makhraj of kaf is ka, and there is no hums whatsoever. So ka, ka, faf, for fatha on jaws attached fa, fa has rakhawa and hums. Faf, tu, for the circular lips, the sound is short. Ba, for fatha on jaws, the sound is short. Ni, make it four counts long. Mad munfasil jais. Is, for kasra give e sound attached sin, sin will get sifa of rakhawa and it is light. Is ra, mad muttasil wajib. E, two counts long. La, for fatha open jaws. This is ikhfa with kaf, so it has different sound. Can you listen nicely? Ang, ka, for fatha open jaws. Id, for kasra give e sound attached. Dal, dal had rakhawa. Id, ji, for kasra give e sound attached with hamza. Hamza will give a shidda sound, which will cut off the sound abruptly. Ji, ta, for fatha open jaws. Hum, this is ikhfa shafi. You're hiding the sound of meme. Hum, bil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sif off the wasut. Bay, bay, bay. As we discussed here, this is the same case. I'm circling it for you. So keep these notes here too. Na, ti, for kasra give e sound. There is never, but there is rakhawa too. So you are not stopping in between, but you are continuing your sound. Bayinati, fa, give hums on fa. Qa, qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Lal, for fatha open jaws attach it. Lam, you get zip up tawassut. La, the, give zab zaba, don't miss that. Give rakhawa. Dina, for fatha open jaws. Ka, for fatha open jaws. Fa, give hams for fatha open jaws. Ru, without going to the nose, make it 2 counts long. And for the muscle, curl your lips. Ru, min, for kasra, give e sound attached. Nun gets pop the wasat and ruling it with her. Hum, for the muscle, curl lips attached with mim gets pop the wasat. In, for kasra, give e sound attached. Nun gets pop the wasat, ruling it with her. Ha, 2 counts long. The, after giving rakhawa, that's the sound and make it 4 counts long. Mad munfasil ja is il. Give the wasut la, 2 counts long. It's not too long. It should not too long. Illa sih. For kasra, give e sound attached. Ha will get sifa off rahawa and it should be from your throat. Urun, ra is heavy for the circle lips and that's it. Meme will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is like one, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mubin. Because of this verb, you're giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is matarit lis sukun. إذ قال الله يا عيسى ابن مريم اذكر إذ قال الله يا عيسى ابن مريم اذكر نعمتي عليك وعلى والدتك إذ أيدتك بروح القدس تكلم الناس في المهد وكهلا وإذ علمتك الكتاب والحكمة والتوراة والإنجيل وإذ تخلق من الطين كهيئة الطير بإذني فتنفخ فيها فتكون طيرا بإذني وتبرئ الأكمه والأبرص بإذني وإذ تخرج الموتى بإذني وإذ كففت بني إسرائيل عنك إذ جئتهم بالبينات فقال الذين كفروا منهم إن هذا إلا سحر مبين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته